Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about the ES, which is futures for the Standard and Poor's Index 500. This is the ES 15-minute chart. Let me actually go to the 30-minute chart, which is my favorite chart for day trading analysis. So this is the 30-minute chart here, and I want to talk about a level which formed here quite recently. The level is at 56.18.5. It is a support, and let me show you what's the reasoning behind this support. All right. Currently on the ES there is a strong uptrend. I'm looking to trade mostly longs because of this strong uptrend, and this long, this one, is based on heavy volume zone within this uptrend area. So as you can see, I moved the volume profile over that recent uptrend area, and right here there is a significant volume cluster which is telling us that buyers who are pushing the price upwards in this uptrend were active here, adding to their long positions, and then they continued to push the price even higher. So this is an important place for buyers, and if there's a pullback, chances are that the buyers from here will become active and push the price upwards from there. I'm trading from the beginning of that heavy volume cluster. That's where, in my experience, I have the best chance of catching that trade and a chance of a best reaction. So that's why I'm trading from the top of that volume cluster. Now, apart from that volume profile setup here, there's also one additional thing that I really like about this. And the thing is, this aggressive buying activity that starts from this heavy volume zone. This is telling us, this buying activity, that buyers were very aggressive here, pushing the price aggressively upwards, and it shows the determination and strength of the buyers. By the way, this three candle formation, those three candles, they form something which is called fair value gap. This is concept from smart money, and basically for a long trade scenario, you want to see three candles. That's the formation, all right? And the high of this candle and the low of this candle, there needs to be room between them. They can't overlap. Like if they overlapped, like let's say like this, then this wouldn't be fair value gap. There wouldn't be any room between the wick of this candle and the wick of this candle. But let me go back. If they don't overlap, then this is the fair value gap. And I like to trade from the bottom of the fair value gap, like this, long from here. So this is the fair value gap long trade scenario. As you can see, this is it, right? This is the fair value gap, this place, and this is the bottom of it, and that's our level. All right, so that's another thing that I like to use in my trading and to look for. The fair value gap represents aggressive buyers in this case, because we are in an uptrend, so those are aggressive buyers. Combine that with that heavy volume zone and you have a nice and strong level to trade from. Also at the top of that, we have that first deviation of weekly VWAP in here, this gray line. It's still around our level, so that's good, and it adds strength. So if right now there was a pullback, I would still count the first deviation as something that adds strength to the level. Maybe the first deviation will continue going upwards as the price and volumes shift upwards, then this wouldn't really confirm and add strength to the level anymore. But I would still count this level as a strong one, even if the first deviation wasn't there, and I would still like to trade it. Alright, so currently I'm just waiting for that pullback, and if it occurs, then what I'll do, I'll open the order flow software around this zone, wait for confirmation, and use the order flow to better time my trade entry and trade exits and go long from there. If you guys don't have order flow, you can just enter at first touch of this level. Chances are that there'll be a reaction. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile, order flow, and VWAP trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button here, which says Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading indicators. There are 3 big packs. The first one is called the Volume Profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading. The second one, that's the Order Flow pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow. And the third one, the newest one, is called the VWAP pack, and it focuses on trading with VWAP. If you guys would like to get those packs in one big bundle, then scroll down a bit. You can get them all 3 together in here for a discounted price. If you guys are interested in just the volume profile and the order flow pack, you can get them in here with this pack. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!